NCFCA offers two styles of debate: team policy and Lincoln-Douglas value. Each style has its own resolution that sets the broad topic for the season. Let's start with the basics of team policy debate.
This event challenges both students and judges to think critically about laws, regulations, and policies. It requires debaters to identify problems with current conditions, often referred to as the status quo, and weigh the advantages and disadvantages of making a policy change.
In each round, one team of two debaters, the affirmative team, affirms a resolution, while the other team of two debaters, the negative team, negates the affirmative position.
The policy debate resolution for this season is that the United States federal government should significantly reform Congress.
Therefore, team policy debate rounds should be about reforming the U.S. House of Representatives and/or the Senate.
When we are assigned to the affirmative side, we will propose a plan for reforming these legislative bodies and/or processes in some way.
When we are assigned to the negative side, we will argue against the affirmative team's proposal to reform.
Rather than debating about how policies should be changed or not changed, Lincoln-Douglas value debate explores more philosophical questions.
Value debate challenges us to think critically about the ideals held by individuals and societies. It seeks to discover which values should drive decision-making. It does not involve proposing a plan of action or a policy change.
For example, the question of the environment for value debate would not be, what should we do to protect the environment? But rather something like, should we value environment above the economy?
In each round, one debater affirms the resolution, while another opposes or negates it, demonstrating a clash of competing desirable values. Throughout a tournament, debaters have to alternate between affirming and negating the assigned resolution, which is assigned for the entire season.
This year's value debate resolution is, in the exploration and utilization of outer space, international cooperation should be prioritized.
This year, debaters are invited to think philosophically about space exploration,
An exciting frontier of human ambition, ingenuity, and groundbreaking endeavors.
Ideas that used to be in the realm of science fiction are becoming tangible possibilities.
However, value debaters are not primarily concerned about what is possible, but rather what is ethical. The foundational question that value debaters must answer is, how should mankind explore and use outer space and all that it contains?
Debaters have their own preferred positions and personal opinions, just like you do. But learning how to argue from both sides of a resolution is a great way for all of us to see that there are reasonable arguments for both sides in a clash of desirable values.